And the Browns' problems come as Ohio's daily case numbers continue to rise. The state today reported almost 10,500 new cases. That's the highest number we've seen in almost a year and the fifth highest overall. Also, there have been 400 new hospitalizations in the past 24 hours. Also, right now, Cuyahoga County has the highest COVID rate in the state, with hospitals filling up and doctors warning of what's to come as we head into Christmas week. Here's Laura Queso.
It's the countdown to Christmas, but the CDC predicts an alarming spike in COVID infections, noting the cases of the Omicron variant are doubling every 3 days or so across the country.
We're in a very serious situation.
Today, Cleveland Clinic Akron General Hospital confirmed they've brought in a refrigerated trailer to use when the hospital's morgue becomes full.
The ERs have been very busy for the last couple months, and they're getting a little bit busier now.
It continues to inch closer to hospital bed capacity because of the sheer number of unvaccinated people.
A year ago today, we had a lot more staff. We were just going into the first major surge that we had. We've just reached those levels again, unfortunately.
Dr. Bruce Vanderhoff with the Ohio Department of Health says more than 1,100 patients with COVID are in the ICU for the holidays.
Our number of patients in the ICU is almost as bad as it has ever been throughout the entire pandemic.
University Hospitals reports that it is also seeing operations impacted due to the surge in COVID-19 patients.
We're going to see continued cases of the Delta variant in primarily unvaccinated patients who unfortunately may be admitted to the hospitals.
By the end of Christmas week, the CDC now predicting we could see up to a 55% increase in infections, 1.3 million cases in just 7 days.
We're back to being in the pandemic. Last May, I felt like we were getting out of it. And then Delta came.
A rise in COVID as we turn the corner to the new year.
And again, doctors say people who are vaccinated should still feel protected against serious illness. And now is the time to get your booster if you haven't. They also want me to spread this message. Do not go to the ER to get tested for COVID unless you are sick with it. Laura Queso, 3 News.